I'm going to explain the use of the Fast Track plugin. I'm going to assume that you already have it installed and you're interested in using it to analyze the sound. I'm going to explain the basic problem. You have a sound in Pratt. Here I have the default formant analysis. I've made the dots bigger to make it easier to see. So obviously, this is not an accurate representation of the formant structure here. This is me saying high, 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 high. I chose this sound because it has a lot of formant motion. So we can see that it's not being tracked very well, and we can go to formant settings, perhaps look for a lower boundary, and another lower boundary. Okay, so that actually looks much better now. The problem is, how do you do these repeated adjustments in a quick way? And also, once you're done, how do you get these measurements out quickly? And that's what Fast Track is meant to help with. The first thing I'll know is that Fast Track is meant to track just vowel sounds. So first I'm going to cut out about the vowel part that I'm interested in, and I'm going to extract this sound from 0 for this example. I close this, and now I hit Fast Track, track sound. It opens up this form. I'm not going to get too much into the detail. There's a lot of information about this on the Fast Track wiki, and each of these boxes opens up a little drop-down menu that explains more about the settings. So I'm just going to use the default settings, except I've changed the lowest and highest analysis frequencies, and I'm going to hit apply so that the box doesn't disappear. So you notice when the form is done, it opens up again so that you can run it again. And here's the output. The output is, well, this is the proposed analysis. What Fast Track did is it tried all of these cutoff frequencies. It looked for the smoothest tracks. That's what these numbers tell you. They tell you about the smoothness of each track, tells you what the best cutoff was, and it returns this information visually. You can also save all kinds of different data outputs. You can return a formant object and a table. So let's see that. Notice that now we have a table that has all of the information here, sampled every 2 milliseconds, time, normalized time, formants, bandwidths, predicted formants, intensity, harmonicity, and F0. You can also specify a folder. So here I've specified this folder and do something like save CSV, save formant, and hit apply. Again, it's going to run the process, return a picture, and if you look at the folder that you specified, you can see a picture that's generated automatically showing you the best analysis, where the dark colors are the predictions and the empty circles are the observed formant values. You're also going to see this CSV file containing all of the analysis information. And you're going to see this formant object, which is a Pratt formant object that contains basically all of the information of the formant tracks. And that's a basic explanation and introduction to the file analysis functionality in Fast Track. For more specific information about usage, the parameters, etc., you should check the wiki. That will have more current and extended information about this.